How far?
How about money for the food stuffs now?
Okay. Money again? I already gave you 100,000 last week. That's all. Oh boy, this guy. Which kind of problem be this?
On that night, they used to make noise for my ear.
Every 2 days. I'm gonna pay money for this house.
Every 2 days. Is that all? Let me just say your children chop for this house.
Namdi Oil and Gas is calling me. Wait, my answer Namdi Oil and Gas call. Hello, Namdi.
God have mercy upon us.
Hello?
Baby.
Yes, baby.
I miss you.
I miss you. Say no more. I'm getting madam now. So I had to tell madam, say, the 2 million. It's true. Is that for only 2 million?
Only 2 million will make me happy.
Oh, baby, say no more. ASAP. Now, they get the alert. Credit alert.
That's why I love you.
Say no more.
Put my account number. That place now.
Now, I want to transfer 2 million to.
Put my account number. I have Nnamdi's account. It's not Nnamdi oil and gas. The one you do business with. I know you. Put my account number.
Isn't Nnamdi Oil and Gas?
Don't put me for talk. You don't go like me. Send it. Should I call it?
It's Nnamdi Oil and Gas.
I like the Nnamdi oil and gas. Let us do business together. Put your phone. Me, I like this one, Nnamdi. Nnamdi should be calling. Say hi to Nnamdi for me, yeah? You can find man. Say, what do you want to eat this night? For her. Does that make for her?
Hey, Nnamdi. Hey. Jamaican beef. The dog. Let me get a call. It's a big Sunday. Come with your friends, let's start a party. Baby, God bless your mind. I don't wanna waste no time. But now, don't change your mind. Let's dance with your mind. Baby, God bless your mind. I don't wanna waste no time. You're right, baby, for life. They show you how to do alright. Come make a walk on the boys, good. We go to the sweet dead body. Right and gone, you call me. Although go to the sweet dead daddy. No, I'm going to come for me.